What do you do when you fall in love with a pencil set so much you don't even want to swatch them? Hi guys, welcome back. What do you do when you find pencils that are so beautiful? You don't even want to swatch them. Well, I found them. This set is gorgeous, but can you get it? That's the question. So what pencils are these? This is an older set of a common pencil, Brutfuner. Now, Brutfuner is a lower priced pencil. It's in the 30s, around 30s that you can find them. Sometimes at the lower 30s, sometimes at the upper 30s. And they come in 120, 180, 150, depending on what type of set you want to get. Some people told me that they wanted me to check them out. So I went on the hunt and I accidentally found this pencil. This must be an older set because they don't come like this anymore. This set is square. I was so excited to find these pencils because I always wanted to try a square pencil. But I did not expect, well, when I found this set on Amazon, but I had to go down the rabbit hole to find them. They were not available. Finally, I found one vendor and they had this pencil. And I almost went right by it. At a glimpse, I noticed that the highlight was not going down the middle of the pencil. And it was really hard to tell from the picture. So I looked up the set, and it indeed, the older sets, and they don't make this one anymore. And the newer sets, the pencils are round. The older sets, I'm gonna guess this was the first pencil set that they put out, and they discovered that the pencils were not as popular. I don't know why. I think they're the coolest. So let's start talking about these pencils. Now, I would imagine they're the same cores as the ones that are put out today that are round. You can still get this set. In fact, put the link to the Amazon vendor in my description because you can't find it on search. It doesn't come up. I don't know how I found them. In addition to this, you can find these pencils on AliExpress. They come straight in from China. But the thing is, they are a little bit more money on AliExpress, and they are a little bit more money. There's a couple of vendors in Etsy. I saw one person selling this set for over $50. You can get them. The more common are the round version. But I don't care. This is what I want. These are just so beautiful. So the first thing I'm going to show you on this set, now let's go through the whole entire set. This is the case. It's just a black tin. It's nothing special. But at least it comes in a tin. And when you get it, they come in 3 trays, just like this. And I took the pencils out of the tray because I needed to point something out to you on the tray that's a little bit different than other pencils. The pencils can get slightly twisted. They're meant to sit directly in these little grooves, but they move. So when you get the set, and I saw some people on Amazon complaining about this, that they were missing a pencil. You're not missing a pencil. It's just out of the groove. And it's very hard to tell with these pencils when they're in, But if you just take your hand and you go over them like this, they flatten out and they look beautiful and they fill the trays. And if you doubt that you have the right number of pencils, just count them. Because even mine, one tray looked like it was missing two, and two trays were missing one. And when I looked at it, I was like, oh no. Pencil set was sealed. So I was like, oh, I got a manufacturer's defected set. But when we counted them, nope, there's 120 pencils in there. And then it took me a little while to figure out what the heck was going on with the trays. Keep that in mind. There are some negative comments on Amazon about pencils being missing. I guarantee that person did not count their pencils. So the barrels I will show you are square, which means there's no rolling off the desk. They feel kind of weird in your hand. Like, you have to, like, situate them and get them comfortable. And if you put them on the diagonal, they're a little bit better. If you've used a hexagon pencil, it kind of feels like that. Like there's a lump where you're not used to it being there. But given that I'm never going to touch these pencils, I don't care. But if you're planning on using these pencils, just keep that in mind. Now, it seems like I'm saying a lot of negative things, but believe me, I'm not going to. I'm going to say a lot of positive things about them. The paint is gorgeous. Look at this set. Look at the pictures you can get from this set. All the placement of the colors and all over the place. I mean, you could just do art, which I plan on doing some photography with these pencils, and you don't have to worry about them flying all over the place. They stay where you put them. They have the square. Now, that turned out to be a little bit of a problem too, because it doesn't fit in my pencil sharpener. So while it wasn't going to be a huge deal, because I have no intention of sharpening these pencils down any further, I did go out and I purchased a little tiny handheld sharpener, just so that I could show you that if you get the one with the two, which is very common, they're not hard to find, a lot of them have them, use the bigger one, and it's no problem turning it. I just don't want to. I'm not ruining them. This like new Cadillac smell. You just need to keep it for a little while longer. I will be swatching them though. I'm going to be including these pencils in the database that I'm comprising for those of you who want to get these pencils. I don't know if they're the same numbers as the round pencil, because they did change so drastically, but we'll see. I'm going to put it in as the square. Brutfuner is a Chinese company, and you have to understand that it will have the numbers on it. Okay? I don't know if this is going to clear up, but you can see, and maybe if I get a darker pencil, you'll be able to see easier. The color is on it. I just don't read Chinese, so I have no idea what color it is. This set, as I said, is 120 pencils. What's the important thing is how do they lay down? Well, I did play with them a little bit. Now, I'm not doing a full swatching. No. No. Sorry. Like these pencils. But I did do a lay down for you. The pencils are oil, so you're going to have a vivid pencil either way. They lay down like oil. Now, it seems that people that don't really know pencils well have done reviews. And on AliExpress, there was one review, and that person was saying that they thought these pencils were wax. I will tell you, these pencils are not wax. These pencils are 100% oil. And in fact, the person that gave the AliExpress actually screwed up she described an oil pencil, but said, oh, it has to be wax. And I don't know if it was a her or him, their assessment of these pencils was like, do you know anything about pencils? The laydown is very smooth. Now, it took, and I'll show you, it does take a couple of layers, but it will become very rich and smooth. So you can see that. The color, look how gorgeous the color is and how easy it is to get to that richness. Let's pick up another pencil and I'll show you. Let's pick up like a pink purple. Look how nice. Now, of course, I'm using a dull pencil. They come sharpened, but they're not sharp. So that's very nice lay down, very easy, very smooth, very buttery. It felt good to color with these, although I'm not going to. Sorry. Now, the selection of colors. Let's talk about, well, first of all, does the barrels match the pencils? And surprising, I very rarely say this, but yeah, they do. At least the ones right this second that I have swatched, they do match very, very close. So I did swatch this one, and this one because I recognized these colors coming from Prismacolor and what they were. And I wanted to see how close to the barrel colors the actual pencil was the core. And surprisingly, the exact colors that I chose, and I said, well, the barrel colors are chartreuse, yellow chartreuse, and lime peel. And when I used the pencils, I certainly did get those colors, and they were very closely matched to the Prismacolor representative for those pencils. I was like, wow, this is great. So what you are seeing here are the colors that you're going to get. Another thing that I liked about this set, they've got a very nice assortment. A lot of times with these lesser expensive pencils, you'll get 500 greens and you'll get like 50 greens and like one or two of the other pencils. Now, let's look at this. We've got our reds and our pinks. That's a nice chunk of pencils. Going into the oranges, yellows. You don't really need that many more yellows than it gave, and it has a really nice cream. This is a beautiful cream. Then we're starting to get into our yellow greens and our blue greens, and considering that they're two different types of pencil, like two different colors, yellow green and blue green are very different. It's a nice split. So even though you have a large percentage over here of the greens, it's really split in half. So it's really a nice assortment. When I did lay down the colors, the first time that I picked them up, the tones, the hue and the not on top of each other. So you're not getting a boom, 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 and you can barely tell the difference between the tone, like two colors of the pencils. You can absolutely tell this one from this one, this one from this one. And when you lay them down, you will see a nice tonal range. I was really happy about that. So now let's look at some of the blues and purples. And you can see you've got your green blues right here. And then you're going into your redder blues and your purple blues, which are red blues anyway. But you could see a beautiful tonal switch going in these colors. All your browns, your red browns, your yellow browns. Here are your yellow browns. Here are your red browns. Not an overabundant of one or the other. It's a very good number. And what I loved about this is look at your grays. You have all your neutrals. This whole big thing of all your neutrals. It does come with a silver. The white was not even that translucent. And watch what happens to this when I lay down. So you could definitely see the difference in the color. So it is a little bit opaque. To be honest, I would just consider white pencils translucent. You're not going to get opaque until you use some sort of whitening agent. But it was not horrible. It's not my Holbein white or my Derwent Chinese white, but it is a nice blend. It is a nice pencil. I would put it up there with the color like a Prismacolor white. The barrel is not a gloss. It's like a matte. So I really like the way it's finished, and I love the way it feels. So I am absolutely adding this to my list of favorite pencils of the year. I recommend getting 2 sets because you're gonna want to keep one and you're going to want to color with one. In fact, I have my second set on the way. These things are probably gonna go up on my wall. What can I tell you? I'm obsessed. So this is the Brutfuner 120 Square. And I will leave a link to the one vendor that I found on Amazon. I don't guarantee how much stock they have, but I will leave it in the description box below. Take care.